everyone, it's Laura with Pampered Chef. How are you doing today? Happy Sunday. I am making, if you've been around Pampered Chef a while, do you remember a time when we could do anything with like crescent rolls? Well, you're gonna, when you see this recipe, you're gonna have some memories. This is from a cookbook that came out last fall. This is a season's best recipe, so I can get this to you if you need it. But it's a chicken and kale braid. And does anybody else do what I do? I'm about to start a new healthy eating journey tomorrow. I have some goals, and you're gonna be along with me for this. But before I start that, I have to like eat everything in the fridge first. I have to clean it out and get rid of the bad stuff. Anyway, so we're gonna cook some fun stuff tonight. So I made some modifications. Go figure. So chicken and kale braid. We're not gonna actually do chicken. I had cooked a pork loin in the quick cooker, so I'm using leftover pork for this. So it cuts out an an extra step tonight that you don't have to cook the chicken. And then we're gonna add in, and I'm doubling this. Okay, so I'm gonna add in a whole brick of cream cheese. You can see why I need to go healthy. All right, so now we're gonna add in some salt, okay? So I'm gonna add in some, ooh, man, I swear. Okay, some salt, and then some pepper. Now we're also gonna add in, I'm gonna use the garlic and herb rub, and this calls for 2 teaspoons. Well, 3 teaspoons is a tablespoon. So I'm just gonna add all that's left in my little jar. It's all done, okay? Now we're gonna add in kale. Remember the 90s? Bread was good for you and nobody knew what kale was. I say that joke a lot, but it's true. So how can we use kale? Because you're gonna see me cook with kale a lot in the future. Kale actually is really good for us, but it also can be really good and not taste bitter. So one of the things that you wanna do is when you have your kale like this, you don't want to use the stalk. You actually want to just use the leaf and throw this part away, okay? That is more bitter and more tough, okay? Now, so I have one more, okay? Then I've already washed it. Doug saw me, he's like, what's that? I'm like, kale. He's like, great. Anyway, so cutting it, but here's the tip. So for a kale salad, it does require a little bit more planning, but if you massage it. So you're gonna see me give my kale a massage in the coming week. So just prepare that, okay? All right. So I'm gonna put the kale right in this. This is my big bowl. And then I have roasted red peppers in the manual food processor. So I'm just gonna finish chopping those up really quick, all right? And I don't know why my camera stand is like drinking today. So, oh, I know why. Okay, so we're gonna make do. All right. So we have our roasted red peppers. And so we're just chopping those up. So we're gonna add those to our bowl. Ooh, those smell really, really good. And then we're gonna add Parmesan cheese. So remember, I did this in the blender. We're gonna add about 2 capfuls, okay? Ish. All right, so I'm gonna mix that up, but I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with our crescent rolls. These always, are you ever fully prepared for those to open? I'm not. Anyway, okay. So we take these and we find the seam. Okay, and we're going to put them across like this, okay? And I'm gonna do 2 batches. So the other one, this is our metal, just in case you were confused. But I also have the stone bar pan in the oven, okay? So our new stoneware, actually you can preheat and put it in the dishwasher even. What? Okay. So this is where we connect our seams, okay? I think this is why I don't make stuff like this very much. I'm just not, I'm such a lazy cook, you guys. I want it to taste good, but I don't care if it's that pretty. Are you the same way? Do you, I just want it to be easy. That's the main, I don't know, that's the most important thing for me. Okay, so now here's what you're supposed to do, okay? All right, now we actually take and cut, we're gonna cut strips, okay? So I'm not going really hard on the metal. It won't cut the metal, you guys, but I didn't really do that very well. Okay, so now we're gonna mix this up, okay? And then we're gonna put this, we're gonna scoop it. So the cream cheese needs to be at room temperature because that's your binder. This is what's gonna keep all of this all together. So I'm thinking this would be really good as a salad. So for future reference, I could do this and maybe do a fat-free cream cheese and then omit the bread stuff and put it on a bed of lettuce. What do you think? What would you do? All right. So we're gonna put this right down the middle. Now, are you guys familiar enough with Pampered Chef? Do you remember these? Remember when we did those in-home parties and we could do anything with some crescent rolls? Come on, I can't be the only one that's got 18 years of crescent roll memories. Okay, so here's this. So now we're making the braid. So how do we make the braid? All right. Just like that. Oh, for crying out loud. And we just go over, and you actually twist it. We twist, and you twist it, and twist it, and everybody now, we twist it, and we're twisting. I feel like I'm doing an aerobics class. And that one's a big one. And we're twisting. And we twist, and we twist, and we tuck that in right there, and we tuck this in. Okay, so now we have our little thingamabobber. Now what do? Well, now, oh, I missed the trash twice. So now we take an egg, and we whisk it up. Look at the little whisk came back. Okay. So, to give this a pretty, to make this golden and pretty, we're going to do an egg wash, okay? So, this is how we do a kale braid, and this is pork instead of chicken, but you can do chicken, you can do anything, guys. You could find all sorts of fun things to do. So I'm going to put that in the oven. I'm going to bake it for... How long does it say? 22 to 25 minutes. And I got the other one go. I'm going to get the other one out and get that assembled. And then dinner is ready. And then this next week I start my better eating journey. So you're going to see lots of healthier recipes. I need prayers. See you later.